Hi, I'm Girali, and if you watch this video, you certainly want to make a multiplayer game or just want to learn more about Photon Bolt. So, in this episode we will see the basics about Photon Bolt. So, Photon Bolt is a networking engine asset for Unity that will help you make FPS, TPS, action games and battle royales. Why would you want to use it? I'm not here to sell you this engine. If you want to use it, you use it. But I can show you some examples. At first, you can see my game, Vandalhalla, that is a fast FPS game. You have games in VR like Iron Lights. You can do FPSs like Warface Global Operation, CSGO-like, Punch-Tropy, very large open worlds MMORPG-like games, and you can do co-op games, survivor like The Forest. Those games are made with Photon Bolt. You can see those games on the Photon Bolt engine website in the showcase page. And if you master the Photon Bolt API, you will certainly be able to make MMORPGs like Albion, which use Photon Cloud API. So, Photon Bolt supports different platforms like Windows, Linux, and Apple, Android and iOS, AR, VR, and it works even on consoles like Switch, PlayStation, or Xbox. So, Photon Bolt currently offers you different architectures in order to make your game, such as dedicated server used by Fortnite, PUBG, and other games, maybe MMORPGs and etc. This is the mainstream architecture that is covered on a tutorial about Photon Bolt, use case CSGO Valorant-like game. You have listen server or client hosted architecture. This means that one of the client has the host the game to minimize the operation costs on every machines. Then you have two-player peer-to-peer. This is more like a co-op game with only 2 players. Bolt currently offers you a connection with NAT punch-through. At last, Photon Bolt offers you the local LAN Wi-Fi. It's mainly the LAN option of every game that gives you LAN. So now let's talk about general logic for networking engine and some terminology. So we have peers. Peers are equal to game instance. You can be as a peer, a server, a client, or both. Each architecture have its own logic with clients and servers. For example, if we take client-hosted architecture, where one client is a server and a client, and the rest of the players are clients only. So now we are good with the basics. Let's go to the next video, where we will talk about both entities with the ownership concept of Photon Bolt, and we will talk more in depth about settings of this component and etc. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Remember to code every day, leave a like, subscribe maybe, and see you next time.